Welcome back on my YouTube channel. So students, in this video we are going to discuss class 8 social science assessment worksheet number 1, that is dated for 17th of August. I have earlier uploaded हिंदी मीडियम वर्कशीट ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल. जो हिंदी मीडियम के छात्र हैं वो हिंदी मीडियम की जो वर्कशीट है जिसे हमने अपलोड किया है वो वहाँ जाके देख सकते हैं. ये इंग्लिश मीडियम की है. इसमें हम इंग्लिश मीडियम के जो आपकी वर्कशीट है उसको इंग्लिश मीडियम के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए अपलोड कर रहे हैं. आपकी फर्स्ट वर्कशीट है. यहाँ पे क्या है कि आप वीक में क्या आपने पढ़ा है उस सब्जेक्ट के रिलेटेड, उसी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं. Here you have been given 10 questions, 1 mark each. You have 4 options given, and which one is correct you have to darken the circle. So let's start. First question is, from whom English East India Company got the charter of sole right to trade with the East? Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb? No. Mughal Emperor Shahjahan? No. Akbar? No. C, correct answer, Queen Elizabeth first. So you have to darken circle number C. Next question, when did British East India Company establish its first factory in Bengal? 1601, 1601? No. 1707? No. B, 1651 AD, correct answer. Third, between whom the Battle of Plassey was fought? Robert Clive and Sirajuddaulah. First answer is correct. So darken the circle number A. After which battle British East India Company got the Diwani rights in Bengal? Battle of Buxar. After the बैटल ऑफ बक्सर यानी बक्सर युद्ध के बाद उनको दीवानी के अधिकार प्राप्त हो गए. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, द इफेक्टिव मिलिट्री एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव हेड ऑफ द मराठा वाज कॉल्ड? सुमंत? नो. मजूमदार? नो. पेशवा. सी इज करेक्ट आंसर. सो डार्कन द सर्कल इन फ्रंट ऑफ ऑप्शन सी. Sixth question, who devised the policy of doctrine of lapse? Doctrine of lapse इसे हिंदी में विलय की नीति बोलते हैं या हड़प की नीति बोलते हैं. It was devised by Lord Dalhousie. Option D is correct. So we have finished 6 questions. Now read the instruction. In the question number 7 to 10 given below, there are 2 statements marked as assertion A and reason R. Read the statement and darken the circle in the correct option given below. There are 2 statements in each question. First is assertion and second is reason. After reading both, you have to choose from the option which one is correct. And how to choose? There are some conditions. A says that both assertion and reason are true and R is correct explanation of A. It means if both assertion and reasons are true and R is explaining A correctly, then option A would be right. If both A and B are right, A and R are right, but R यानी reason is not explaining assertion A correctly, then option B would be correct. For C, if assertion is correct and reason is wrong, then option C would be correct. And for D, if assertion is wrong and reason is correct, then option D would be correct. So these are the conditions. Now let's start and read the questions. First one is 7, assertion. British East India Company earned huge profit from Indian trade. Correct. British East India Company got sole right to the trade with East in East. Correct. And R is explaining well A. So answer A is correct. ब्रिटिश आपको पता है कि उनके पास पूरे अधिकार थे, तो कोई दूसरी और कंपनी व्यापार नहीं कर सकती थी, इसलिए इन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट कमाया, क्योंकि देयर वाज नो कंपटीटर इन ट्रेड मार्केट इन इंग्लैंड who can compete British East India Company, so they have gained a lot of benefit from the trade with East. Second, question number 8 assertion. Murshid Quli Khan, Nawab of Bengal, opposed the British company. British East India Company started fortifying the factory of the Kolkata. Both are correct, and Murshid Quli Khan opposed British because they began to fortify the factory of Calcutta, so he opposed. So again question option number A is correct. Now let's start on question number 9. British East India Company started collecting the revenue in Bengal after the Battle of Buxar. Correct. British East India Company imposed subsidiary alliance with the Nawab of Bengal. Wrong. Option C is correct. British started expanding the northwestern region of India. Correct. Britishers has fear of Japan attack through northeast. Wrong. They have fear of Russia, USSR, old USSR, to attack on from northwest. So again R is wrong and A is correct, option C is correct. So students, this is your assessment worksheet number 1 for class 8 social science, and we have completed it. Please, after completing, share with your class teacher or subject teacher so that he can evaluate your performance. Thank you for watching the video, and if you are first timer on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share the video if you like it. Thank you so much.